If you want to color grade your photos like a professional, Adobe Lightroom Classic is the undisputed king. But searching for a free download online is a guaranteed way to infect your computer with malware. Today, I'm showing you the only official, 100% safe way to get the Lightroom Classic free trial for both PC and Mac. If you want straight-to-the-point tutorials that actually respect your time, hit that subscribe button right now, and let's get your digital darkroom set up. First, click the secure Adobe link right at the top of the description below to land on the genuine page. Click Start Free Trial. Adobe gives you a full 7 days to use every single premium tool with zero restrictions. Yes, you will need to create an account and put in a payment method. That is standard across the industry. Just set a calendar reminder on your phone to cancel on day 6, and your card will not be charged a single dime. Once you sign up, Adobe will prompt you to install the Creative Cloud desktop app. This is normal. Open it, sign in, and look under the All Apps tab. Find Lightroom Classic and hit Install. Pro tip: do not confuse it with the standard cloud-based Lightroom. Make sure it says Classic for the full desktop experience. Once the loading bar finishes, hit Open, and you are ready to edit. Drop a comment below and let me know what camera you are currently shooting with. If this quick guide got you set up safely today, smash that like button. But listen, when those 7 days expire, Adobe expects a monthly payment to keep your editing suite open. If you are not a fan of the endless subscriptions, click the video on your screen now titled Best Free Alternatives to Adobe Creative Cloud. I'll show you the ultimate free software stack for photographers to replace the Creative Cloud entirely. Click right there to protect your wallet, and I'll see you over in that video.